my ratchet way. My ratchet. Woody up. Oh my gosh, my arms are killing me. Hey guys, I just got back home from the gym. Ouch. What up? What up? What up? What up? I just got back home from the gym. Yeah, I just got back home from the gym. I did shoulders and I did back today with my cardio. I always do cardio because it's what pumps my body, and I just started back the gym. I'm going 2 weeks starting back the gym. So, well, yeah, 2 weeks and a couple of days. So I would say 2 weeks and a half. So my cardio on the elliptical is always a must for me, at least for the first month, 2 months, because it works everything. It works my arms, it works my legs, it works my full body. So yeah, my arms are killing me holding this camera. I'm actually gonna do some oaks for after workout pre-lunch, because it's going 12 o'clock. It's 11:37. And I'm gonna prep some lunch for later. I have to go and pick up my dresser. I literally moved in 3 weeks ago, but I still have some of my furniture by my friend's house. I have one of these, another one of these. I had 2 of these in my room at my old place, but since this place, my new place, is a bit way smaller than my old place, I had to it's not smaller because this one is a 1-bedroom place. My other place was a 2-bedroom place, and it's just this place is shaped differently. So, but the bedroom is definitely smaller. So, I had to rearrange stuff. I'll definitely do an apartment tour of my new place, but everything is not in yet. I'm still working on it. But yeah, so I have to go and pick up that from her. A painting that I have there, a big painting, and I think I have a box of a bunch of junk in it. Well, not junk, but like my artwork and stuff that I used to do. So I have to go and collect that, and that's about it for me today. So I'm just gonna prep some chicken. I actually seasoned it and everything already, and lemon salt it. When I shop for like meat, any fish, anything, I prefer to like clean it and everything first and just separate it and put it in the freezer, season it, you know, have it prepared, so when I'm ready to cook, just take it out and it's ready to go. So I'm gonna do that right now. My arms are killing me. Like, I did those today. It hurts. It hurts. I hope all this back fat goes and my arms tone up. Yeah, I'm tired though. I'm extremely tired. My friends are laughing at me. Get used to it. I don't know why I put so much water in this damn thing. Because I don't want so much oats. But what's that in my water? I don't know. I'm a mess. I'm a hot mess. Use this for to put my chicken on. I'm definitely going to put foil paper on it because if I don't, it's going to be such a hassle to wash this. So long one. Well, it's actually not that long. It fits pretty. Nah, it fits perfectly. So it's like. I need to charge my phone. So that's what it is. I usually use avocado oil or olive oil, but this is the oil that I'll be using. Extra olive oil. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that in here. And then you're gonna whip it around. Whip it around, baby. Try so I can get all the corners. I love how olive oil smells. Obviously, I washed my hands when I came back home from the gym. Oh, hi. I'm thinking about to do sweet potato fries, but I don't know. So this is my chicken legs. I clean it. I hate skin on my chicken legs, so I took off all the skin. I don't know. I don't like it. I prefer like if it was like a fry or something. So like 6, 7, 8 legs in here. So I'm probably gonna have food for like the weekend as well. Or not, depending. Probably, yeah. This here's my seasoned chicken. Okay. And I'm gonna put it in the oven now. The oven is still heating up, so I'm gonna give it probably about another 5 minutes to heat up, and then I'll definitely put that in. So I just add the oats into the pot. I put milk also with my oats because I just don't like water. So these are the oats, the no-name brand. Let's see, the no-name brand 1 minute one because it's just easier. Yeah. Oh, I struggle for real. Girls gotta get some cinnamon. The reason why I have everything in a Ziploc bag because when I move places, I just put everything, mostly all my spices, in a Ziploc bag, and I packed up all of my breakable things, like these. So yeah, I'm still trying to get my life. Okay, just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Okay, so I'm pretty ratchet when it comes to making my oats. So I only drink almond milk. Been drinking almond milk for like the longest now. So I pour that in there. Pour that in there. And get a spoon. And stir it around. Stir it around. And stir it around. And this is what it looks like. Nothing special. But yeah. Let me show you my ratchet way. My ratchet way of getting my cinnamon into my pot. Because, I don't know, I do have a grater, but I just feel like this is the easiest way. So I basically just get a knife and just basically grater it off. Yes, I like a lot of cinnamon. I don't know if I should do quinoa or sweet potato. I'm thinking. Sweet potato mashed with grill carrots and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, be back. So I came on to show you guys my finished product of my oats. This is it here. Okay, so I put chia seeds on it as well. So yeah, I'm gonna yum. Then I'm gonna, when I finish, I'm gonna come back and cut this up. And I'm gonna, when my chicken is halfway cooking, or more than halfway, I'm gonna put these carrots in to bake. And then I'm gonna wash up dishes. I hate washing up dishes. Like, I just hate it so much. You guys don't understand. So if anybody wants to be my personal dishwasher, just come my way. Just come my way. Comment in the bottom and tell me, and I'll tell you come my way. Okay? So this is basically the finished product. I'm having it with banana. I like eating everything with banana, so don't judge me. But yeah, I'll show you it on the plate. And all done. And this is the final product. Yeah. That's the final product. Yum yum.